Investing time with your children is the best investment you can make rather than just buying them toys. Time is the most priceless gift every father could ever give to his kids. Time spent with your kids is certainly not wasted time. Spend more time with your kids on a regular basis, then come up with a more deliberate plan how to connect with them. You are far more important than the material things you could ever give them. When your kids talk to you or ask you a lot of things, try not to shoo them away, but instead drop what you are doing and lovingly listen to them. God, thank you for the lives of our children. Thank you for the joy of having them and the joy for enjoying the different seasons of their lives. Help me to not take them for granted, but to cherish every moment I have with them. Bless the work of my hands so that I could build wonderful memories with my kids and influencing them towards knowing and having a personal relationship with you. In Jesus' name,